Come here. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Look at how pretty. Open those wings up and show everybody how pretty you are. What? What are you saying, boy? She's so pretty. Hey, go easy now. You okay? All right. What's the matter with you? You're overexcited tonight. Yeah. Is it okay? Yeah, because you didn't get bit. I did. She bit me. I love you guys. You think that's funny, man? Hello, buddy. Oh, you have very pretty eyes. Malibu, go easy. Go easy. Don't be so crazy.